fresh longer. Samsung 255-liter digital inverter direct cool refrigerator. It comes in 3 different colorways: pebble blue, saffron red, and saffron blue. It features premium design, Fresh Max, stabilizer-free operation and Smart Connect inverter. The softly curved, round-top shape, and unique rounded design in pebble blue color add an elegant and stylish look to your kitchen. Its multi-utility door bin, Fresh Max, provides convenient plastic bag holders for more flexible storage space. Its inbuilt stabilizer-free operation protects the refrigerator by preventing electrical damage or shorting from voltage fluctuations. The Smart Connect inverter enables the refrigerator to run on home inverters during power cuts. What you get is significant amount of energy savings along with long-lasting freshness. Samsung found a new power source, solar energy. Samsung's range of Solar Connect refrigerators is powered by solar energy and runs on solar energy. It lets you save money while protecting the environment. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung 255-liter digital inverter direct cool refrigerator.
Whirlpool presents WDE range of refrigerators. The WDE range comes in 3 variants. The Classic with wire shelves, which is available in 2-star and 3-star energy ratings, and the Classic Plus and Roy with toughened glass shelves, which are available in 3-star and 4-star energy ratings. Powered by insulated capillary technology, these refrigerators retain cooling for up to 9 hours during long power cuts. These Whirlpool refrigerators ensure optimum moisture retention with honeycomb lock-in technology that makes fruits and vegetables remain fresh for a longer duration. The Auto Connect to Home Inverter helps to connect your refrigerator to the home inverter automatically every time the power goes off, thus delivering consistent cooling and maintaining long-lasting freshness. The 4-star rated products are powered by IntelliSense inverter technology and come with 25 years of reliability on compressors, certified by VDE Germany. The energy-efficient WDE refrigerators ensure less energy consumption. With a wide voltage range of 95 volt to 300 volts, these refrigerators can easily operate without a stabilizer. These WDE refrigerators feature spacious storage, sturdy and durable door bins for easy storage of up to 3 2-liter bottles to cater to your everyday needs. Our products also come with a base stand variant which can be used for the storage of dried food items such as onions, potatoes, etc. This range of refrigerators come with a warranty of 1 year on the product and 10 years on the compressor. For EMI options, refer to the product page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For further information, visit the product page.
Presenting LG's spacious and stylish single-door direct cool refrigerator that comes in various capacities and ratings with an elegant build and aesthetic finish. Equipped with smart compressor technology, be sure to get higher energy efficiency, better savings, longer freshness retention. Worry not about power fluctuations, as LG's direct cool refrigerators can function without a stabilizer. This smart DC refrigerator comes with a 1-year warranty on the product and a 10-year warranty on the compressor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.